Yeah, so basically, hello ma'am, my name is Harsh.
Hi Harsh, Rupam this side.
So ma'am, actually I wanted to know regarding study abroad because right now I am a working professional and
Okay.
I have shared my profile form with you. So I wanted to inquire something related to the study abroad and what will be the process. So if you can suggest me something good.
Right. So Harsh, why you are interested for Canada? Why only Canada?
Um,
Is there any specific
Um,
reason?
Basically, if I'm talking about, because a lot of friends are there. Another thing
Mm-hmm.
that I have heard that PR opportunity is quite fine, and actually I don't know about that. Now the another thing is that it's I have actually heard that this is budget friendly, so I wanted to know this.
All right. See, Harsh, first of all, you are 100% right on your part. When we talk about Canada, in Canada, PR chances are extremely high for Indians.
Okay.
Secondly, it's a budget friendly country, like within a 12 to 15 lakhs, you can do your PGDM, post graduation diploma in management, where you can get 1+ of your student visa, that means study visa, and 1+ for your stay back, that means your work permit. Right. Secondly, stay back options are also very good, and job opportunities are on very higher side for us, for Indians.
So,
So
ma'am,
definitely a wonderful option. Yeah, proceed.
basically, which university you will suggest me or which area? Like as I have heard, Toronto is the best option.
Right, Harsh, you see, first of all, we have to select the course, then we have to select the university. When we talk about IELTS, the first thing is that the examinations. See, there are two types of examinations. First is subjective, and the second one is language. Subjective, there are three examinations, that is SAT, GRE, and GMAT. As you told me that you are a working professional, that means you are going for the post graduation,
Yes.
right? So you are going towards masters. So for the masters, you require your GRE, where you need to get 315 plus for the topmost universities out there in Canada. Secondly, either IELTS or TOEFL. You can proceed one of them from the examination, either IELTS or TOEFL,
Okay.
right? And this is recommended. Most of the students says that, ma'am, if I am having a medium of instruction, so is it recommended to get the scorecard of IELTS? Yes, 100%. If you are going towards abroad education, IELTS is the added value on your visa part,
Okay. So, ma'am,
right?
basically, I'm also planning to join the French classes somewhere. So, do
Mm-hmm.
you recommend, like, is learning French really will be beneficial for me?
100%. See, in Canada, second official language is French only after English. So if you are learning French, so it will help you for your PR opportunities. It will help you for your work visa. And secondly, when we talk about Quebec, in Quebec, most of the people are promoting French language only. So definitely, if you are learning French from your native country, so it would be very beneficial for you for abroad education and especially for Canada.
Okay. So, ma'am, like right now, I don't have any relatives or something like that in Canada. So, let's say
Mhm.
if I'm tomorrow, if I'm going to Canada, so what kind of difficulties I'm going to, face?
See, firstly, as we all are aware that Canada is the only country where all the Punjabis and Indians are there. Most of the Punjabis and most of the Indians are there, right? So it's nothing like that. You will get the exposure out there. Firstly, I can understand. Firstly, 3 months you have to search some good job for yourself. You have to you have to adjust in your city and for your studies. So definitely for 2 to 3 months there will be a homesickness, but after that you would be fine. And Canada is a very flexible country and a very friendly country, so it won't be any issue if you are going towards Canada.
Okay. So, ma'am, basically, I'm having a budget of nearby 20 lakh rupees. So, is there any course like a 6 month course or anything? Because my actual aim is to go to USA. So,
Okay.
within me, but I have a limited budget too. So,
Mhm.
what you will suggest, like how I can directly or indirectly, how I can go to USA?
See, as far as we all know that US and Canada, they both are the neighboring countries, right? So as you told me that your budget is it's around 20 lakhs, so you should go. So you should proceed with Canada PGDM, post graduation diploma in management. That your budget will be go around. It's between 20 to 25 lakhs, including your living expenses. And secondly, it will differ from colleges to colleges. Right. And definitely, as I told you, that US and Canada, they both are neighboring countries. So if when you will be when your studies will be getting over there, you will be getting 3 years of work permit in Canada. So it's your choice whether you have to continue with the Canada, else you can move towards US.
Okay. So is it possible, like if I will live over there for 2 years or 3 years maybe, and after that if I can move to USA, is it something possible?
See, yes, is it possible to move towards US after your post graduation from Canada?
Okay. So ma'am, like how about the placement of the colleges?
See, placements are good. When we talk about PGTM, see, there are two types of programs in Canada, that is SDS and non SDS. SDS means Student Direct Stream. This program is especially meant for us, for Indians. Why? Because they are getting lots of files from India every year, right? So, when we talk about placements in Canada, in SDS program, you will be getting only diploma programs, they are not degree.
Okay.
And why people are opting for SGS program? Because they are getting co-op program. Co-op program means paid internships. If you are getting your paid internships from the colleges, that means our job opportunities are on very higher side.
Okay.
So 90 to 95% Indians are opting for SGS program only because they are getting paid internships and their job opportunities are on very higher side.
Okay.
So
Fine.
when we talk about specifically for jobs, so the jobs opportunities are wonderful in Canada for all the courses. And Toronto is the city, as you told me earlier, that I am looking out for Toronto because one of your friend is there,
Yes.
right? So definitely in Toronto, job opportunities are on very higher side.
Okay. So ma'am, like as I wanted to, go this year only because I have just completed my graduation, and I have 1 year of experience, and right now I'm planning to quit my job and go for my further studies. So is it possible, ma'am, that if I can just go to Canada within this year, basically?
See, Harsh, when we talk about fall 2021 intake, for this particular year, the deadlines are approaching for almost all the colleges and the universities. So, according to me, do not quit your job for this intake or for any of the intake. You just start processing your file for fall 2021 intake plus January 22 intake.
Okay.
Right. And you just continue with your job. First of all, apply to the university or the colleges for the conditional or unconditional offer letter. When you will be getting your offer letter, when you will be applying for a visa part, then you should quit your job, according to me. And for fall 2021 intake, do not rely on this particular intake. As I told you, the deadlines are approaching. So you should apply for Jan 22 intake as well, because for the visa and for the admission it will take around minimum 5 to 6 months for the whole process.
Okay. So in the meantime, I can just prepare for IELTS or something like that, or I need to prepare before that only.
No, according to me you should proceed with your IELTS examination trainings and try to achieve 6.5 overall, and in individual module 6.0. This is a minimum requirement for Canada, for Canadian colleges and the university,
Okay.
right? So
Uh,
this is the right. proceed with your IELTS examination. If you are going towards SGS program, because for PGDM you only require IELTS, no GRE, no GMAT. But if you are going towards universities, maybe few universities require your GRE, GMAT plus 4 years of 16 years of your education.
Okay. So, ma'am, is there any possibilities if I can get a scholarship, and which all colleges are providing the scholarship basically?
See, yes, definitely scholarships are there, but there are different criteria to achieve a scholarship. First is on behalf of first come, first serve. For the good amount of scholarship, this is recommended to start a process before 12 months so that you can achieve up to 30 to 40%, between 30 to 50% of scholarship.
Okay.
Second is your extracurricular activities. See, these people are very practical and we are very theoretical, right? So, according to me, we should provide some NGOs, social or any other language certificate to them so that you can avail some good amount of scholarship, or you will be getting you will get the admission in the good university or college. So scholarships are there, but you have to be academically strong, and you should try to get good marks in your GRE or in your GMAT.
Okay. All right, ma'am.
Right.
Were the only
And
question.
any other questions, Harsh?
No, ma'am. That's it. And thank you so much. You cleared so many doubts.
All right, Harsh. So if you have any queries, you just do let me know. And according to me, if you're planning out for fall 2021 intake, so this is the correct time to start with your further filing process.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Immediately I would start.
All right, Harsh. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.